This is the furnace filter, and it's located between the furnace and the return air duct. The filter prevents dust and contaminants from getting into your furnace and from recirculating throughout your house. This is the return air side, and this is the furnace side on the other side of the filter. The furnace filter has an airflow graphic to show proper installation. The airflow goes towards the furnace side from the return air side. The filter arrow should always point towards the furnace. These numbers right here are the filter size. Match these when buying a replacement filter every 3 months. To replace the furnace filter, start by removing the cover. This one just sets on top of the filter. Some have a screw or something to hold it in place. Some filters come out the top like this one. Some slide out the front, and still others are located somewhere else along the return air duct run. If the filter is not located here, it may be behind a return air vent in another room. Once found, just take the old filter out, being careful not to shake too much of the dust and debris out into the room. Next, grab the new furnace filter, making note of the airflow graphic on the side, and slide it into the slot. Finally, just put your filter cover back in place. And there you have it, the furnace filter is replaced. Depending on your environment, you may want to check this every month, or at least change it out every 3 months. This could help improve air quality and may improve the lifespan of your HVAC system. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more.